Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add products to Shopify from AutoDS. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead over to your Shopify admin and click on Add Apps right here in the left panel. Click on it and click on Shopify App Store. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, use the search bar and type down AutoDS. Okay, you would need to connect AutoDS to your Shopify store first. And here we have the AutoDS. Click on Install. Wait for it. Now once done, again, click on Install. There you go. It is now connected. So once it's installed, you can now go ahead and open up AutoDS from Shopify, or go ahead over to platform.autods.com/marketplace. Okay, in here. So all you'll do is just basically click on Add Products, and it will ask you for a link. Okay, first it will ask you to select either a single product, or if you want to export a single product, a multiple products or stores, or even handpicked products. Okay, so in here it says supplier URL or product ID. Okay, so basically if you go ahead and go to Amazon.com, in here and look for a product. Okay, for example, smartphone right here, just for example, you can go ahead and click on the specific product, and now you can go ahead and go to the top, copy the URL and paste it in this area. You can go ahead and select directly from AutoDS. Okay, you have these categories. For example, under pets, you can click on it. Now once you hover over an item, you will be able to see a button that says view in drafts. Okay, you can click on it. Now once done, click on drafts right here in the left panel, and after that, go ahead and review it. Okay, and then on top of that specific product under drafts, you'll be able to see save and import. Just click on it, and once done, go ahead over to your Shopify store under products right here, and you'll be able to see your products from AutoDS reflect in here. Okay, some products may take some time to reflect in here. Just basically wait, and it will eventually show up. All right, and that is it. That is how you add products here to Shopify from AutoDS. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.